Welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to talk about what to do with your iPhone if your Bluetooth does not work or just doesn't work as it should. For example, one of the devices is not connecting or it's not connecting properly. Okay, anyway, if you have any issues with your Bluetooth, I will help you in this video with this 3-step simple process. Okay, one of the steps will help you, I guarantee you this. Okay, so the step number one you want to do is to scroll down the control center. This is the control center of your iPhone, and you want to actually turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, and if it was turned on, to understand that it was turned on, it should be blue. Okay, if it's blue, it was turned on, try to turn it off. Okay, we turned it off, now we turn it on back again. Okay, keep it turned on. So the step number two, we're closing it, and now we need to locate the settings on our iPhone. Once located, you tap on it once, you're going to the General tab, tap on it once just as well, and then find this Software Update tab. Tap on it once just as well, and here make sure that you have the update installed, because you see I have an update ready for my iPhone. So what I want to do is to press the update now. Once done that, you want to enter your passcode and start the update, because sometimes there can be an update that is related to a Bluetooth on your iPhone, and if that's the case, that can be an issue with your Bluetooth and devices not working properly and as they should. Okay, so once updated, I will not update it now because my Bluetooth works properly. Once updated, you're going back, and what you want to do is to close the settings and to reset your iPhone. Force resetting iPhone. So how it is being done, you need to press the volume up button, then you want to press the volume down button, and then you want to press and hold the power button of your iPhone. Okay, so how it is being done: volume up, volume down, and holding the power button. And keep holding it, do not release it, do not slide to power off, just keep holding it, because this will force reset the iPhone. And force resetting means that the iPhone will just get rid of all the temporary issues on your iPhone. It will delete all the temporary files that are holding your iPhone back in some way. Okay, so just give your iPhone 5-10 seconds to sit in this position, and then you want to press the power button once again and hold it to turn it on. Okay, we're pressing it, we're holding it. Okay, now it begins to turn on. Okay, so after that, go to your Bluetooth settings, try to connect it to your devices and see how it is being done, how it is works. Okay guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.